This video is intended to show you how to create holes in a three-dimensional part. I will start by making a sketch on a large surface here, and I have two options in terms of how I do this. A simple way is simply choosing a point here, and I'll just place it at a certain location here, and then I finish that sketch. And then from that small green dot, I can either hover directly on top of that part and right-click, or I can actually come up here to the hole function and click here. Whichever way I choose, I create a hole here. It then allows me some options here. I have first option here of termination. How far do I want that to go? A simple way is to make a hole through the entire thing, so whatever depth that is, it will automatically go the entire depth. If I don't want it to go all the way through and I want it to stop at a certain point, I can choose a specific distance. And you can see by the diagram here that this top number will tell you how deep that hole will go. So in this case, if I want to make it just 1/4 of an inch deep, this down here identifies how big around the diameter of hole you want to make. And again, you can highlight and type in a different number if you so choose a different number. And I have some other options here. I can make an angled hole so that the bottom has an angled groove to it, or I can make a flat bottom point to the drill. Likewise, I can make just a simple straight through hole, or I also have some options here of having what's called a tapped hole, which has a screw look to it on the inside. And then from there are all kinds of options I can choose in terms of how large of a screw thread that has. So just to make a simple angled hole, all those options are chosen. I'm going to say OK, and then you can see the beginning of the hole here. And as I rotate it around for you to see, you'll be able to once again see that angle point down at the bottom. Now the second option is from within a sketch on the main body here. I can actually choose to make a circle, and I set that at whatever depth I want it to be. And then I finish that sketch, and then again, either from the circle I just made or choosing the hole option here and clicking in that location, I can then go through those same options to create a hole. In this case, one that would go entirely through the object. Either one of those are perfectly suitable ways of making a hole within an object.